We're at the top. Wow, well, this was something. It's definitely the most impressive roads I've ever been to, and probably one of the most scary ones as well.
A big warm welcome to everyone joining us here at Lindy Hop. We are Sam and Gabi, and together with our puppy Basie, we are currently traveling around Europe, exploring all of its hidden gems and making memories in our self-converted campervan. We started in the UK, drove across to Lithuania, and now our plan is to go up to the Arctic Circle and then down to the south of Europe. We will document our adventures in weekly videos every Sunday, so join us by subscribing to our channel, it's free after all, and turn on the notifications so you're made aware of every time we upload a new video, and follow us on Instagram for bonus behind the scenes footage.
We are on the way to the Atlantic. How's it called?
Atlantic Road, not Atlantic Way.
Atlantic Road. Okay. So we are on the way to the Atlantic Road and really excited about it. I mean, if you've ever seen a video to do with Norway on YouTube, then it's got this footage, like drone footage, of these awesome bridges and sort of landscape as you drive over, hopping from island to island. And yeah, so we're really excited to head there today. Yeah, we slept really well here last night. Apart from the tractors that were cutting grass at 1 AM, that was pretty strange. We've just turned up for the next ferry, and as we've turned up, it's chock-a-block, it's full up, and they're just leaving. So yeah, we've just got to wait for the next one. You okay, bud? Also, loving all of these green roofs on all of these little bus stops and stuff. Thankfully I was totally wrong, and the ferry had just arrived, so we've just got on it. Makes a change. Apparently this ferry only takes 20 minutes, so we won't be on here long. It's super small, tiny little ferry. There's not even like a roof over where the cars go in. And there's just a little bit of seating each side of where the cars sit. Well, we've just arrived at the Atlantic Road, and it's pretty impressive. When we got here there was nobody parked in this car park, and now in the space of like 3 seconds there's 10 vans that have descended on the car park. But yeah,
I think we started a trend.
we're trendsetters. Time for lunch now. Gabi's been rustling something up in the back of the van, which is, yeah, much needed.
We've been watching King in It Vietnam trip, and I was like, oh, I just fancy like noodly ramen or like something with, you know, soy sauce and lots of garlic. So I got some sort of coconut noodles with broccoli and mushrooms.
Yummy lunch. Just on the washing up, and now's the time of the moment of truth. I've been looking forward to this for some years, maybe 3 years. So here we go. Another day, another ferry, second ferry of the day. This has got to be a record for us. But yeah, we only took 2 ferries when we were up north, and now we seem to be taking ferries every 2 minutes down south. So yeah, I'm glad that Gabi did all that research to get us 50% off all of our ferries.
Literally 1 minute. Yes, I just went to the toilet. It's finally happened. I can't believe Sam caught a fish. It's been, what, a month since we've been trying to catch a fish and eat it for dinner, and it's finally happened. I'm so proud of him. I'm so proud of him. He's been trying so hard. He's lost so many hooks, so many lures. We're having fish for dinner tonight. Some potatoes and the creamy sauce and all the good things. Oh wow. And here's the man who brought the dinner home. Oh, this looks good. 10 meters from the fjord straight to the plate. Couldn't be any fresher. Yummy scrummy. Yummy scrummy. What the deal is with the trolls in this place. We see so many troll signs, troll shops, souvenirs, all kinds of things. There must be some sort of folk, you know, history with trolls and telling stories, and it would be really interesting to know. If you've got any recommendations of films, would love to watch something like that.
Maybe we've got some trolls online that would like to inform us.
Any kind of trolls. Anyway, we've just left our place where we parked last night. That super lucky place where Sam caught that amazing mackerel.
Luck.
That was so good.
Luck.
No luck. It was just talent and amazing fishing skills.
Thank you.
So now we're gonna go and do a little hike just to move our legs. It's not raining, it's a bit misty. Weather can change any moment, so we're trying to make the most of it. Go and see some waterfalls and some mountains and valleys and some nice things and maybe some trolls. I don't know. You never know.
The purpose of this survey is to chart how the Grainheimen area, see the map, is used for outdoor recreation. The information you provide is valuable as it can help the National Park Board manage the area and make improvements for the benefit of visitors. Oh, that's so nice.
Huh, so it's like a little survey or something.
Yeah, so there's English, German and Norwegian, so they obviously know that the Germans are here. And there's a little survey card for each language. Here we go. Okay, so it just asks some basic details about us, and it asks what we like and what we dislike on hikes, and one of them was that there are plain campsites with toilets, firewood, fire rings and bins. Obviously I strongly agree, it's like massively like what is in Finland. So yeah, it really seems like even though Norway doesn't have the public facilities like Finland perhaps does at the moment, yeah, maybe it's
Basie agrees.
maybe it's going to be implemented, which is nice to hear.
This was such a good hike, actually. It's understated. We didn't really go to like a massive opening, or you know, we didn't finish the full, was it 8 kilometers or something hike, but I quite liked it because it was really nice to be just on our own. I find like some of these hikes, like I wanted to go to this platform and then I read there's about an hour and a half to wait just to go and see it. So a lot of popular hikes just end up being super crowded, and this time we just went on our own. It was lovely.
And, when we get back, we're going to take a ride on a very, very special, well, We're going to take a ride in the van, of course, but we're going to drive on a very, very special road. It's, I don't know, it's down a mountain pass. Is it down or up a mountain pass?
I think we're going to go up, and then there's like a little platform where you can see it from above.
All I know about it is that it's got lots and lots of zigzags on the map, so you know it's going to be steep one way or another. So yeah, we're going to go and check that out now.
We're at the top. Wow, well this was something. It's definitely the most impressive roads I've ever been to, and probably one of the most scary ones as well.
My heart was like pounding, like on a next level, because I don't know if you guys saw one of our previous videos, but I explained that driving a right-hand drive car on the left-hand side, on the right-hand side of the road, is super difficult for me, only when we're going up steep mountain sides, because the sheer drop is just next to me. When we were coming up just now, I got to halfway, I was like, okay, I can just about deal with this. And that's as far up as you saw the drone go. And it was from the point where we stopped and got that super nice shot with the bridge, from that point to the very top, that it was just like sheer drop down the side. And I guess it wasn't complete sheer drop, because there was just another bit of road down because it was zigzagging up, but it feels and it looks very much like a sheer drop. And I'm quite proud of myself for getting up there, because I had to like regulate my breathing, deep breaths in and out. I've learned from these kind of situations before, like how to deal with it. I got to the top and I just had to go for a walk and like feel the ground, and yeah, it's really hard to explain, but yeah, if anyone else suffers with vertigo, then yeah, let us know in the comments, because you have my sympathies.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We really enjoyed being in the south and experiencing this like different scenery, and the tropical forest walks and the hikes and the
like
hills
2 hours
and the
ago.
roads. Yeah,
Unbelievable.
Oh, it's insane.
We've never closed out a video from inside a cloud before.
Yeah.
So there's a first for everything. But yeah, check back in with us next week when we're going to be going down south a bit more in Norway, and yeah, more landscapes and crazy hills to come, I'm sure. Don't forget to like the video, please, if you enjoyed it. Subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Click the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.
man defying his fears. Wow. Can't believe you're doing this, babes. And there is a grill where you can see through the floor. Insane.